Today, we are going to be talking about the human skin. The human skin is the largest organ in your body. It covers all of your body. The human skin, it's defined as the outer covering of the body. Some of the functions of the skin are protection, sensation, and heat regulation. Protection means that it covers and protects you, the inner part of your body and the inner organs from external aggressions. Sensation is when you feel by touch all the surfaces that there are. And heat regulation implies that it keeps your body at a fine temperature, not too hot, not too cold. The parts of the skin are many, but it's divided into three big pieces: the epidermis, the dermis, and the subcutaneous layer. The first layer, which is the epidermis, is divided in two pieces. Okay, the stratum and then the cornea. In the many layers of dead skin cells from the top of the epidermis are dead skin. At the bottom of the epidermis, 95 of these cells work to make new skin cells, and the older cells go near the top, die, and then they rise to the surface of your skin. If we could take the first layer of the dead skin that you have, it will come out like the one it's showing in the picture. A very thin, transparent layer of skin. 5% of the other skin cells make a substance called melanin. The melanin gives its skin its color. The darker your skin is, the more melanin you have. So a person that has few melanin, it has a light skin color. A person that has a lot of melanin has a dark skin color. And the person that has the middle size of this melanin, amount of melanin, it's medium skin color. It's also known as fair, the light skin color. The second layer, it's called dermis. And there you can find hair follicles and substances called of oil glands. Pores and sweat glands are also found in this layer. The third layer is the subcutaneous layer. It's the deeper layer of the skin. And there you will find the fatty tissues. And also you can also find hair follicles, which make the hairs grow. You have to take care of your skin as well as all the other organs in your body. Since it is our protective covering, we need to prevent skin disease. So we can take some tips as you need to bathe or shower regularly to help shed the dead skins. On top of it, you need to shower with regularity. You need to moisturize it daily, especially after coming out of the bath room, because it has the moist and it will keep the moist of your skin. Okay, fighting against dry skin. And you need to be careful when you're exposed to the sun. you need to wear sunblock. And it needs to be with a SPF, that it's nothing more than sun protection factor of 30 or more. A sun protection factor lower of from 30 is a not approved by dermatologists because it does not block the UV rays of the sun, and it can damage your skin even into the inner layers. Some others involve taking medicine as vitamins, okay? Even you can take them as a medicine, or you can improve your diet and include vegetables and fruits, which carry most of these vitamins needed. And as last, you need to sleep at least 8 hours per day. The body and the skin uses this time to regenerate and recover from your day-to-day activities. Some of the diseases that you can find in the skin are the common eczema, which is a term for a condition that the skin becomes inflamed or irritated, or both. You can have like this a picture here, some little dots, or sometimes it's just a big amount of rash. You can also get a common disease which is called psoriasis, which produces thick red plaques that cover with silvery scales. Your skin does not shed properly and it grows too fast. That's why the plaques form and they get inflamed, and that's why they become red and it dries out, making the scales. It's a very common and very heartful decision because it hurts a lot, which is an immune system problem. Acne, it remains largely occurs for adolescents, but not only adolescents have it. About 20% of all the cases occur in adults. Okay, acne in adolescence is provoked because of the changes in the hormones, which is an alteration that the body still is trying to achieve. So it will become mainly, most of the time, it's a mild case and it will be overcome after the puberty starts. But in some other cases, it may become a rare and hard case, which becomes in a difficult situation for the adolescent or for the young adult. Rosacea mainly affects the skin on the face, and it causes big, deep redness on the nose, the chin, and the cheeks, and sometimes includes the forehead. Usually the people looks like if they had a butterfly on their face because the red nose, and it looks like the parts of the butterfly that is flying on your face. We also have rare diseases called cancer, which produce also in our skin. Okay, you can get a sore and that may become in different length. Some of them may be mild, like melanomas, and some others may be worse, like carcinomas. But in any case, you have to treat it early. So be aware of any changes in your skin, including mold. The person who treats any problem in your skin, it's called the dermatology. And he studies the branch of medicine which deals with the skin, the nails, the hairs, and all the diseases. He treats the widest sense and some cosmetic problems of the skin, the scalp, which is the skin of your head, under your hair, the hair, and also the nails. The nails from your hand and the nails from your feet. So, let's hear some interesting facts about skin. Did you know that the skin is the human body's largest organ? Yes, we just talked about it. The average skin, when it's stretched out, measures 2 square meters. That's a huge, it's almost a whole room. Skin accounts for around 15% of your body weight. So that means if we took out your skin, you will weigh 15% less. The thinnest skin is found on your eyelids, which is only 0.02 millimeters thick. It's very, very thin. Okay, the skin in the different parts of your body may vary its thickness. You have the thinnest on your eyelids and the thickest on your feet. The thickest skin is found in your feet, which is 1.4 millimeters deep. Every minute, your skin is coming down, it's shedding, it's coming off, and it's shed over 30,000 dead cells every minute. Every 60 seconds, you drop 30,000 dead cells of skin. We usually don't see it, but it is disguised among the dust that your mommy picks up every day. That's why we have to be careful and change our bed sheets weekly at least, because then you will have too many dead cell skins that will invite some um, animals that are called acras. Your skin has its own bacterial microbiome. Okay, on your skin, they live over 1,000 species. Okay, and around more than 1 billion individual bacteria of different microorganisms and bacteria. But they are there to make you feel good. They're not bad. When a disorder happens and these bacteria grow, it will have you will have a rare disease, but it will something that we can cure very fast. So that's all for today. See you soon.